Hey, Leo.
Simba is very brave.
Roar! You gonna do something else? Keep the dancing. Leo, do it again. Press it again, Leo. What else is it gonna do?
Dumbo has big, floppy ears.
Who's that?
Why do I need...
Is that the elephant? Elephant!
Riding the train that goes choo-choo. He will shake.
Yeah, you dancing.
Lucky has lots of spots.
Hey, Leo. Where's the choo-choo? Choo-choo! What are you doing? Are you hiding things? Are you hiding them? Yeah. I know, there's a flap in that box. That's pretty exciting. Be careful when you're getting out of that box. Yeah. Hey, Leo. Where's the elephant? What? Elephant. Yeah. Are you going to get some more music on? Leo. Yeah, get the music on. Turn it on. Where's the music? Go get it on. Let's see.
I'm gonna be the lady that you was before.
You dancing? Dance. Roar. Roar. Oh, I just can't wait to begin. Roar. Are you the lion? Roar. Yeah. Oh my. Oh my.